What is the Nucypher? Nucypher is a product program that means to add security and obscurity to decentralized applications based on open blockchains like Ethereum. The instrument, named a decentralized key administration framework by its makers, vows to give clients admittance to private information that is saved, shared, and controlled on open blockchains. Moreover, designers will actually want to store, trade, and oversee private information. Nucypher additionally works determined to add an interoperable security layer to different blockchains so engineers can allow delicate information across numerous dApps. Nucypher likewise permits clients to deal with different computational privileged insights, including IAM tokens, information-based qualifications, and secure shell certifications for remote admittance to servers. Nucypher likewise permits clients to give and pull out information admittance to quite a few beneficiaries on a contingent premise. Clients can likewise handle encoded information, which guarantees that exchange data sources and calculation results stay private. Besides, the Nucypher organization offers an instinctive and open stage with expandable runtimes and interfaces as well as powerful mystery-the-board control. Two primary administrations are accessible on the stage. Mysteries the executives. The program safeguards touchy data, for example, passwords and confidential keys by putting away it in a protected area. Dynamic access control. Admittance to delicate information is conceded and repudiated on a restrictive premise. How does the Nucypher program work? Nucypher gets the confidential information of public blockchains and offers encoded types of assistance to various conventions. Through Umbrel, the stage's encryption strategy, and Ursula, an organization of running hubs, the stage gives a carefully hidden administration framework for secret resources and dynamic access control administrations. You might ask, what are the Umbrel and Ursulas? Umbrel utilizes hubs to scramble and unscramble data without gaining admittance to it. Your confidential key can be saved, however it won't be apparent during this system. The individual encryption key might be accessible to you. Ursula is responsible for the Nucypher organization's administration and control. Scrambled hubs are likewise used to empower marking, mint more tokens, and run the stage on an everyday premise. To be a hub administrator, you should simply store your new tokens. You'll be repaid in both Ether and new tokens for your work. The Nucypher token. Nu is the Nucypher convention's local token. New token holders gain prizes by placing in the coin-to-run labor hubs, which is an Ethereum-based token with various applications. You can run a hub and gain continuous rewards when you stake Nu on the organization. At the point when you help and execute encryption administrations for network clients, you will be granted with a particular measure of Nu. Holders of the Nu coin can likewise assist with further developing the Nucypher convention, which is a totally decentralized network. They can offer proposition, vote on them, and dispense cash for Nu drives. 225 million Nu tokens have been dispersed by the work lock. This was used to assemble the Nucypher organization, which permitted clients to stake Ethereum and procure Nu tokens in return for safeguarding the organization. Nucypher hubs can acquire marking motivators for Nucypher thusly. Consistently, Nucypher hubs are compensated with Nucypher stake impetuses. Nucypher coin outline and history. Nucypher was created and helped to establish in 2015 in San Francisco by Michael Igorov and Mac Lane Wilkeson. They made the program to satisfy their craving to assist consumers with safely executing information with cloud suppliers. In 2017, the Nucypher group chose to zero in on shrewd agreements as another application for their innovation. In 2018, Nucypher's private testnet became functional, while the public testnet turned out to be live in October 2019. Following that, Nucypher's mainnet was sent off in October 2020, with $45 million in Nu tokens appropriated to partaking hubs. 1 billion Nu was presented at the hour of the mainnet's presentation, with 39% of the token going to early financial backers and another 8% going to SAFT financial backers. The Nu cost took off in June 2021 after it was reported that it would be recorded on Binance. On Aug. 15, 2021, the symbolic hit an unsurpassed high of $1.59, a 440% expansion in front of fresh insight about its impending consolidation with Keep. On November 27, 2020, the Nu cost hit an unsurpassed low of 6 cents. Nucypher value estimate. With its significant spotlight on blockchain security, Nucypher helps the consistent activity of numerous other blockchain networks. The Nucypher coin has various applications, showing that it has great essentials. Nonetheless, will it endure over the extreme long haul? We should investigate what the future may possibly mean for the Nucypher token. Essentials. There is clearly an immense requirement for minimal expense cloud administrations and blockchain information security strategies. This request is projected to ascend in the future as the decentralized economy develops. In the crypto world, the quantity of information breaks and hacking episodes has risen decisively as of late. With this move, Nucypher has set up a good foundation for itself as a serious player in the field of blockchain security. These factors might make Nucypher climb, making it an appealing speculation opportunity. Organizations and associations that are starting to embrace blockchain innovation will see the value in its ability to allow and repudiate admittance to information on the organization, as well as its capacity to deny admittance to information on the organization. Could this moment be the perfect time to get into space? The truth will surface at some point. Specialized. The Nucypher convention utilizes various innovative ways of resolving issues tormenting the blockchain business. In a solitary day, on October 15, 2021, the new token expanded by 1,000%. The group's declaration of a consolidation added to the energy. Is there an opportunity that might repeat soon? Specialized examination of the Nucypher cost outline uncovers that the Nucypher token has been in a negative pattern lately. For the beyond 2 months, it consistently diminished, falling 10.83% over the most recent 7 days. The Nucypher cost has been driven by bad opinions, debilitating the pattern. Regardless of their confidence for the coin's future, financial backers presently can't seem to start buying the token as a result of the new cost drop. Albeit a 1,000% increment in coin esteem is far-fetched, we can anticipate a good bullish spat the future in the event that you're thinking about putting resources into this cryptographic money. Specialized examiners accept this present time as the perfect open door. It's vital to remember that the cryptographic money market is very unpredictable. Exchanging digital currencies conveys an elevated degree of chance. So ensure you get your work done first. Nucypher value expectation. Nucypher value expectation for 2022. As per Nucypher, the most extreme cost of Nucypher in 2022 will be 60 cents, with a normal of 56 cents. The Nucypher cost estimate for the prompt term is hopeful. Nucypher value expectation for 2023. The Nucypher digital money cost expectation begins at 68 cents. The new cost conjecture is consistently ascending, with an objective of 80 cents in the primary quarter of the year. Before the year's over, the Nucypher coin cost is supposed to be 72 cents. Nucypher value expectation for 2025. The cost of new crypto is supposed to start at 98 cents in 2025. $1.15 is supposed to be the most extreme cost. Nucypher value expectation for 2030. As indicated by our Nucypher cost projection, the cost of Nucypher could reach $5. The greatest worth will be $5.62 before the year's over, while the year's base and normal costs will be $4.47 and $4.89. Separately, what will the Nucypher token be worth toward the finish of 2022? Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of the Nucypher could arrive at a most extreme worth of 66 cents. What will the Nucypher token be worth in 2025? In 2025, Nucypher could beat the most recent patterns and arrive at new highs in the midst of a bullish pattern. It is anticipated that the worth of the symbolic will cross $1 and may get to a most extreme cost of $1.15. Where could I at any point purchase Nucypher coins? There are numerous digital money trades where you can buy the Nucypher tokens. A few instances